Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to open margin trading account on Binance mobile app. Margin trading is for professional traders. But if you know how to trade cryptocurrency margin market on Binance, you will make a lot of money because Binance have so many tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Please, if at the end of this video you find it useful and helpful, subscribe to the channel to help me grow it faster and hit the notification bell so you can be receiving my new videos. So without wasting time, let's go on to how to open margin trading account on Binance mobile app. The first thing is you have to get the app downloaded in your smartphone. You can watch our video on how to download Binance mobile app. Then also, after downloading, you open or register your new account with Binance. We have a video on that also, how to open or register a new Binance account on Binance mobile app. Then after that, you verify your account. We have a video on how to verify new account using Binance app also. So if you have all these things, you have opened your account, you have your Binance app, and you are verified. So tap on your Binance app, When you tap on your Binance app, so you let it load, then you click on more, so it will take us to where we can access more options. Click on more, then we want to access trade. Now, trade. So you can see here that we have margin. So we click on margin. Now, because you are opening for the first time, I'm not opening my own for the first time. If you are opening, I know you'll be opening your own for those of you that will be opening it for the first time. It is not going to come to this trading terminal immediately. It is going to ask you to answer some questions. There will be some questionnaire that will appear that you need to answer and get them correctly. You need to answer them and get them correctly. So after you have gotten them correctly, so Binance margin trading account will be open for you. So when it open for you, this is how it's going to look like. So with this one now, you are in a Binance margin trading platform, trading terminal on Binance mobile app. This is how it's going to look like. I'm using Binance Pro, not Binance Lite. If you are using Binance Lite, your terminal may be a bit or a slight different from my own. So now, if we have gotten to this place, you have opened your Binance margin trading account. The next thing to do is to transfer funds into your Binance margin trading account. So we're going to click on wallet here. Click on wallet. So now wallet, you can see overview. So here I have spot, I have funding, I have margin, I have future. So I'll click on margin because that is where I am going. So I'll click on margin rather. I'll click on margin. So this is my margin. You can see I have cross, because I told we have two type of margin account: cross and isolated. So but we want to transfer into cross today. So if I want to transfer, so what I will just do is I'll click on transfer here, click on transfer, click on transfer. Then I want to transfer from my spot wallet to my cross margin. So transferring from my top spot wallet to my cross margin. Then I want to transfer. Let me choose. I want to transfer Matic Polygon. I want to transfer Matic Polygon. And so I'll put the amount here, 10. So if you must have money, you must have funded your spot wallet before you come and transfer money to your margin trading account. So after you have done confirm transfer, so immediately you confirm your transfer, your money will be deducted from your spot wallet and be credited to your margin wallet. So you will see it there. So you'll be able to trade. So the things that you have to do now is you get your app downloaded, open an account with Binance, then verify your account, verify your identity, then open your margin trading account, then fund your margin trading account. Once you have done that, you are good to go to trade margin trading on Binance. Thank you, and thank you very much. That's the end of the video. If you find the video helpful and you really like the video, please share the video and share with your family and friends. Like the video also. Comment on the comment section of the video, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can help us grow the channel faster, and hit the notification bell so that anytime we release a good and educative video about to make money on Binance like this, you will be informed. You will be informed. The link to 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 download, or sorry, the link to get to margin trading account, or how the link to get it to when you open your margin trading account, we'll drop it in the description. To be in the description. Thank you, and God bless.